Hello guys, my name is Denstar and here is a first video of a vlog we're gonna do about the build. We're building a PC for my friend here, Chris B. It's not gonna be one of those videos you see many times where you get a PC, you get the PC case, the CPU, the motherboard and everything else and just put it all in and that's it. We're gonna build our own PC case. We're gonna cut some sheet of metal here today, and it's gonna be a bit strange shaped PC. It's gonna be with all the vintage pocket watch, not in the same dimensions, of course. It's gonna be around 70 centimeters in diameter, and let's see how it goes. We have a SketchUp model of this PC for you to see how it's gonna be. Okay guys, so this is the main compartment. This is where this whole PC case is gonna build around. It's gonna be where the motherboard is around here in the middle. The water cooling loop, because we're gonna water cool the CPU and GPU also, it's gonna be around here. This also serves as a backplate for the clock, because we're talking about a working clock on top of a working PC, of course. It's about 70 centimeters in diameter, 1 millimeter thick, and this is the second component. This is where the motherboard is going to be bolt on. Of course, CPU, GPU, and everything. This is coming out of the middle of that sheet of metal. So we're going to cut some pieces of it in order to fit in that, and let's hit progress. Okay guys, so the cross sheet is ready. This is gonna be the center part where the motherboard is going to be bolted on. These sections here are gonna be flipped inside so that we have a 3D effect on the circle, about 5 centimeters, as we said. Now we have to cut around 25 by 25 centimeters square on the circle and continue. For the measurement here for the circle, what we have to do is find the center of this circle so we can be certain about the cuts for the 25 by 25 square we have to make. The way to do this is by simply drawing the diameters, several diameters in fact, on this circle. The merging point of these diameters, of course, the center of the circle. From here we can draw 12.5 centimeters to the right and to the left. We have our basic cross pattern for the square, and then with the help of 90-degree ruler, we can make the circle, the square, in order to fit the cross-shaped pattern we had before. The way is, we know that this circle is about 70 centimeters, so we measure with our ruler 70 centimeters. You want to make sure you are not less than 70, because this is not the complete diameter of the circle. We have to be accurate about the diameter, which is here. We draw a line like this. As you can see, we've done this a lot of times in order to be exactly sure. So the center of this circle is here, where of course some of these were a bit off. In order to be exactly sure where the center is, you have to draw a lot of lines. Don't worry about the lines showing. It's a bit of pencil, they came right off. We just want to make sure this is the center and take the measurements from here on and down. So we find the center and we drew 12 centimeters, 12 and a half centimeters this way, 12 and a half centimeters this way. Using this ruler, we brought some vertical lines here. We need to make sure these are 90 degrees, so it's a square. We've measured it this way, so it's 25 here, 25 here, this way also. And now we're gonna cut this middle section of the metal sheet. And hopefully it will be enough for this cross-shaped pattern that we have behind. In order to come out of this circle at about 5 centimeters, create a 3D effect here where the motherboard is going to be placed. Behind here we will have a picture, vintage, beautiful picture. The motherboard is going to be around here, water cooling, etc. Let's go. This is the finished product. We have cut a square here, 25 by 25 centimeters. This is where the motherboard will come out of this, creating the 3D effect around here. We have to bend this cross pattern and leave only the center part of it, which is 25 by 25 as I said. And this will have 5 centimeters here, here, here and here. So it will create this 3D effect that we want. So that's it for now. We will continue when we can bend this part up.